Hi! I got to attend the International Indie Game Award here in Taipei, where Taiwanese games won in 2 of the 8 categories, Best Visual Art and Best Student Game. The other winners were from Germany, Japan, the United States, Belgium and South Korea. Here are the 8 winning games, but if you want to check out all the finalists, I will leave a full list in the description below. Have fun watching! I hope you enjoyed this brief overview of the International Taiwan Indie Game Award 2026. If you want to check out and download all of these games on Steam, there are links to each of them in the description below. You can let me know in the comments which ones you liked best. Please remember to like this video and subscribe to the channel. I really appreciate your support. See you in the next one.